In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video tour to your property listing from YouTube, Vimeo, or Google Drive. First, let's get your video online so it has a shareable link. You can upload it to YouTube, Vimeo, or Google Drive, whichever you prefer. If you're using YouTube, choose the unlisted setting during upload. This keeps your video hidden from public search results while still letting anyone with the link view it. Make sure the upload finishes, add a clear title, and copy the full URL from the Share menu. On Vimeo, upload your file, confirm the video is set to be viewable by anyone with the link, and then copy that link. If you're using Google Drive, upload the video and set the link to View Only so people can watch but can't edit or download unless you allow it. Right-click the file, select the Share options, choose View Only Access, and copy the link. The key here is that the link must be accessible without requiring a login from your guests. Next, let's place that video inside your property listing. Log into your hosting dashboard and switch to the hosting view if your account has multiple roles. From there, open the listing section so you can see all the properties you manage. Pick the property where you want to showcase the video tour and open it. Navigate to the description area. This is usually where guests expect to see an overview of the home and its amenities. Now you'll add the video link right in the description text. Keep it simple and clear so guests know exactly what they're clicking. A great format is, take a full video tour here, paste link. Replace the bracketed text with the complete URL you copied from YouTube, Vimeo, or Google Drive. Make sure there are no extra spaces or broken characters, and verify it opens correctly in a new tab. Placing this sentence near the top or just after your key highlights helps maximize visibility. If your platform supports clickable links, confirm it's active. If not, leave the full URL so guests can copy and paste it easily. Before you finish, give your description a quick proofread to ensure the video link aligns with the tone and style of your listing, and that it reinforces the main selling points of your property. Save your changes, then view the public version of your listing and test the link one more time to be sure it plays smoothly. That's it. You've uploaded your video, edited your listing, and added a clear, guest-friendly link to your full tour.